Modern nakeds were born from sport bikes that were stripped down, but not because someone said, "Oh, cool! I should take this sexy bodywork off and throw it in the dumpster." More likely the bike had been chucked down the road, probably on both sides. So instead of paying thousands to replace the Skittle shell, and because the rider wanted to keep riding and didn't give a crap how it looked, boom, the Streetfighter was born. Then some genius at Triumph, and it's actually not facetious to say so, thought, "Holy crap, we can sell these things." So they pinned the Speed Triple. That's when it all started to get gentrified. Yeah, rat bikes were cool, at least to you. But it's even money that your buddies were quietly making fun of you. It took a while for nakeds with a capital N to really catch on. It was a little while after that before Japanese brands embraced the concept. And when they did, the bikes were more often than not fairly disappointing. Sometimes it seemed they not only stripped the bodywork off their bikes, but also stripped the fun right out of them, detuning their sport bikes into the boring zone. Over time, other European companies joined Triumph and continued getting it right. Ducati, KTM, Aprilia, MV Agusta, and BMW didn't make duds, they made magic. But sometimes the Japanese have gotten it right too. Suzuki, the smallest of the big four, has always had that one arrow in its quiver that shoots straight and flies true, the GSX-R. For old guys, the K5 Gixxer of 2005 to 2006 was the perfect recipe. Dropping a version of that long-stroke mill in the original 2015 GSX-S was a savvy move. Long story longer, 2022 arrives, and the updated version of this model has been refined, brought, mostly, into modern times, and as it turns out, it rips. Exercising a 17-year-old engine concept back into shape may seem like a New Year's resolution challenge, but there was nothing wrong with that architecture in the first place. This engine combined with modern electronics and chassis is a freaking hoot. This latest version of the GSX-S has a whole pile of upgrades that not only modernize it but give the K5's younger cousin a new lease on life. Key to just about every modern motorcycle are the electronics. Without ride-by-wire and modern digital management, traction control and ride modes would be